I just wanted to show you how I attach my decorative lace trims. This is an elastic with a bit of a ruffle, which is quite pretty, and it gives just a nice edge to your favourite underwear pattern. A little bit more feminine than using just a cotton Lycra band, and it comes in so many colours and it adds a nice variety to your underwear drawer. So just using your favourite underwear pattern. This is the Feel Frisky by Ellie and Mac. I'm working around the waistband at the moment. To be honest, I don't remember whether it was in the pattern or whether it's just something I perfected over making so many pairs, but I just cut it out a little bit roughly, as you'll soon see. Fold it over about this much. Again, try it, see what you think. Each pattern is different, will fit differently. I've done this that many times now that I just do it. I'm not quite sure why. Now, as I sew, I won't be stretching the cotton Lycra. I'll only be stretching my elastic. I do like it to have a little bit of a pucker, not too much. How much stretch you put on your elastic as you stitch it down really depends on how stretchy it is and what look you're going for at the end there. Now, I'm not too worried about this overlap here that you'll see, because I'll go around with my these little fancy scissors here and trim that off neatly at the end. You may prefer to just stitch it very neatly to begin with. That doesn't work for me. Okay, just give it a little bit of a stretch, line that up on there like that. I am using a vintage sewing machine, and it can be a little bit temperamental, which is half the fun. That's why I'm just using a zigzag. You can use your cover stitch, you can use a twin needle, whatever you prefer. I like the novelty of just using a plain zigzag. Just get rid of that clip. Very simple. Just going to go back over, and not very precious. I just give it a quick trim, take it away. There we go. And that's what you have, which looks quite pretty on our red faux glitter. So that's the waistband, and then just repeat the same for the leg bands and you're done. Well, I'll trim all of this off, but yeah, and then done.